Good morning, prep class. Please take out your funmatic book. Today is day 9. Open page number 7. Page number 7 is your homework. Write date, HW and join the dots 1 to 15. This is your homework, page number 7. Page number 9. Page number 9 is your homework. Today is day 9 and your page is 9. Okay. Write date, CW. Follow the dots to finish the picture. आपने फॉलो करना है 1 to 20 तक काउंटिंग है. काउंटिंग इन नंबर्स, you know the counting in numbers 1 to 20. You start from here 1. You know that after 1 is 2, so we draw the line. After 2 is 3, after 3 is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17, 18, 19 and 20. Now your picture is done. Please color it. Color this picture. And your page number 9 is done now. Thank you, prep class.